As you can see, this thing is bubbling. I will put the soup in it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, remember the first time cooking? Make sure to check it down in the description down below. And you guys very liked it. You guys very enjoy that video. And guess what? I'm going to make another video out of it. Cooking. Yeah, cooking, why not, right? Oh, the ingredients that we need. And here I go.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
What's up, bad?
Oh, sopa. It's a thick sopa.
Why are you... Why?
The ingredients we need: shrimps, tomato sauce, and heavily stripping cream.
Why are you... Why?
And mostly cheese, of course, for the end. And soup. I'm already cooking it. So what you do is you put hot water, put it halfway, and then, well, you know, put the soup on it. The least thing you need is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 5.
Well, there's 2 things that solve every problem. 2.
When you see bubbling, well, it should be more. I already moved it, and I forgot to record it. And just make sure to move around. And do not let it get stick under it, because if it does, well, you know, it's not gonna come out good. Rinse it. That's hot. Woo! Alright, we're going to put a little bit of this because, you know, why not? It even tastes good with it. If you want, you could do it. If you don't, it's alright. It's up to you guys. And you put it right there. Then you put the tomato on it. Make sure that you don't cook this thing. And then you put the tomato on it, tomato sauce on it. Make sure to put it everywhere to catch it up. I think I have my helper out. Caramba. Tengo mi ayudante.
Yeah.
Make sure that's empty enough, and then you move it. And me, of course, I gotta move it. This is why not. It's not gonna come out good. Like I mean it. It's not gonna come out delicious. Like some French people are gonna look at my videos and be like, "Oh no, esto no sabe cocinar francés." Caramba.
Cocinar comida francesa.
No, le echamos la crema. And then you put the heaven cream. No mucho. You move it around, where it could have that good mix of it. So you basically move around more and more, and then it starts bubbling. You could say after that. It's because both of them, you know. Oh yeah, make sure to use this on the pan, like.
I fell down!
Like under it, for the butter cannot get stuck on that, you know. Alright. You get the soup. You put camarones, shrimps. I usually put it in the middle, pero en el medio, no. Bien. Y ahora pones poquito de sal para que pueda, a little bit salt. A little bit salt. Doesn't need to be a lot, but just to get that flavor on it. And then some pepper, garlic, pepper, and seasoning, basically. What do you do with it? Get that little grinder. Make sure to cover the shrimps with the soup because it's not gonna get cooked. When it's finished cooking, right, you get your plate, you get your soup ready, and you you pour it on. You can tell when it's finished cooking because of the shrimps. Why? Because it looks nice. Looks nice. Okay. Pour some. And there. Oh no, after that, you get your cheese, your little cheese, and then you pour some. And there. This is my cooking. I'll get that shrimp ready. Soup on it. Oh. Está caliente, pero she's good. Thanks for watching, and here's my soup. Leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And the last video what I did, remember, my first time cooking, if you subscribe, you get another one of this. Bye. Yeah.